Hi guys, I am Vamshi. Today we are going to learn shortcuts on PowerPoint and Excel. Let's go. Now we'll start. Control N creates a new presentation. Control N. Wait. Control N. See, you can get two tabs of presentation here. Control O. Control O opens an existing presentation. You can take any presentation from here. Now Control S. Control S. And we can say wherever we want. Now F12 function opens as a dialog box. Opens and saves as a dialog box. F12. See, we can get we will get a dialog box and ask to save. We don't need to save now. Control W. Control W. As you can see, Control W refers to a presentation. One presentation will go. Now let's delete this one. Now let's cut this one. Now we'll try using Control X. Control Z. Sorry. As you can see, we got again the presentation. Means it's undo an action. The Control Y. Redo an action. Okay. Now we'll learn Excel. Now let's start Excel. Now Control F4 ask to save. Control F4. As you can see, this full sheet has gone now. Now Shift F12 insert a new worksheet. Control F12. Control F12. Control F12. Now we got now two sheets here. Now let's try F4. Repeat the last command or action. F4. See, we got another presentation that was closed. No need this. No. And next shortcut is Alt plus M. Alt plus M. Alt plus M. Now you'll ask formula bar. Here are the formula bars at all, whatever you want. So these are the shortcuts of PowerPoint and Excel. Until then, bye bye, goodbye.